The NFT market's explosive rise over the last 18 months has provided various interesting opportunities for investors to profit. But if you're a complete beginner, how do you know what is the best way to make money using NFTs? Today we're going to give you 6 ways to make money using NFTs. Some of these ways may surprise you, so make sure that you stick with us till the end of the video. And before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Alright, let's get started. When looking at how to acquire NFTs, you should pay close attention to the strategy you'll use to make a profit. Because of the expansion of the NFT business, there are a variety of ways to earn from NFTs, whether actively or passively. Because the NFT market is so crowded, several projects are providing the greatest NFT giveaways to entice new users to interact with a variety of NFT collections. Number 1. Invest early in promising new NFTs. Investing in potential new collections early before they soar in value is one of the best ways to make money on an NFT. Many of the greatest NFTs to buy were initially released at a low price, but their value skyrocketed in the weeks and months following their release. CryptoPunks, for example, may be acquired for anywhere from $1 to $34 back in 2017. Due to their first mover status within the area, these punks became extremely valuable when the NFT mania took over in 2021. This resulted in celebrities and other high-profile individuals purchasing these NFTs, with one punk selling for $24 million. What is the best NFT to make money utilizing this technique now that CryptoPunks are out of reach for most retail traders? We believe Lucky Block meets this criteria after scouring the market and conducting extensive research and analysis. Lucky Block is a new cryptocurrency lottery platform that runs on the Binance Smart Chain. The Platinum Rollers Club, which contains 10,000 NFTs and can be purchased through NFT Launchpad, was just launched by the creators as their own NFT collection. The thrilling aspect of these NFTs is that each one serves as an entry ticket for exclusive daily prize drawings with an average jackpot of $10,000. Interestingly, the collection contains 25 rare editions, which allow the possessor to get double the daily prize pool if their number is called. These NFTs are expected to sell out rapidly given Lucky Block's explosive development in recent months. Furthermore, the forthcoming introduction of Lucky Block's daily lotto drawings will surely raise demand for these NFTs, thus raising their value in the long run. Number 2. NFT games with earnings. If you're wondering how to get money using NFT tokens, another option is to participate in play-to-earn NFT games. PTE features, which allow players to earn prizes through competent gameplay, are currently included in many of the top NFT games. These prizes are typically represented in the platform's native cryptocurrency, which can be spent in-game or swapped for fiat currency. Making money with NFT games has become a popular strategy, with a slew of new platforms cropping up that promise a steady stream of revenue. One of the most popular is Axie Infinity, which allows players to fight other users for rewards. To acquire indirect exposure to the PTE space, investors can purchase Axie Infinity tokens on cryptocurrency exchanges. Following the success of Axie Infinity, additional initiatives such as Silks, The Sandbox, Decentraland, and others are gaining traction. As crypto acceptance grows, these platforms will likely become more commonly used, indicating that this trend isn't going away anytime soon. Number 3. Hodling NFT. When looking for ways to generate money with an NFT, one of the finest tactics is to invest and hodl. HODL stands for Hold On for Dear Life. It was coined by retail traders during the GameStop short squeeze in 2021. Since then, the term has come to refer to an investment strategy in which you simply do not sell no matter what. Those considering purchasing cryptocurrencies should be aware that there are advantages and disadvantages to doing so. Hodling, on the other hand, can be a terrific technique to generate money with NFTs if done strategically. Returning to our CryptoPunk scenario, investors in 2017 may have decided to sell because the value of their punk was not increasing. Those that chose to hodl, on the other hand, reaped the benefits when the prices spiked in 2021. Needless to say, this strategy will not always work, since some NFT collections will fail to provide the requisite price momentum. However, many of the projects on our NFT calendar are already gaining traction on social media, indicating that there may be some excellent investment possibilities in the coming weeks and months. Number 4. NFT flipping. Another good technique to generate money with NFTs is to flip them. Flipping, according to Fortune.com, is the process of buying low and selling high in order to make a profit. The key difference between flipping and other investment methods is that flipping is typically a fairly short-term plan, as opposed to the HODL strategy discussed earlier. Finding the greatest NFT to generate money and then flipping it for a profit is difficult, especially in today's market with so much competition. It is not, however, impossible when there are various aspects to consider when investigating how to profitably flip NFTs. The token's utility should be a top priority for you, as it will be one of the primary reasons other investors will buy it. Along with the development team driving the project, community support should be considered. Finally, the NFT's visual attractiveness is important to consider, as most investors will want to use their digital art as a profile image on social media or to sell it through a digital art gallery. Number 5. Making your own non-financial tokens. Minting your own NFTs is a popular strategy for individuals seeking how to make money using NFTs. The process of putting a digital asset such as digital art or music on the blockchain is known as minting. After the asset is created on the blockchain, it may be exchanged on the best NFT exchanges, allowing you to profit from your work. Minting NFTs is a pretty simple operation, and leading marketplaces such as NFT Launchpad make it simple for newbies. Because of the explosive growth of the NFT business, there is fierce competition among creators, with new collections appearing every day. After you've produced your own NFT and added it to the blockchain, all you have to do now is wait to see whether anyone wants to buy it. This is where marketing comes into play, as most collections will go unnoticed by potential investors unless they are actively promoted. You will receive the money from the sale less the marketplace charge whenever your NFT sells, which you can withdraw to your crypto wallet. Number 6. NFT investing and staking. NFT trading is comparable to NFT hoarding and flipping NFTs. This method is primarily focused on achieving little, long-term capital gains, rather to getting in and out of the market as rapidly as possible. Investors that are interested in NFT trading will frequently buy and sell an NFT for a modest profit before repeating the procedure. In the end, because it relies on obtaining discounted NFTs and then selling them at a proper time, this strategy demands far more patience and market expertise than hodling. However, in the long run, this might result in exponential wealth gains, which is why experienced investors like this strategy. Those interested in crypto staking will be glad to learn that NFTs can also be used in this procedure. Staking NFTs can take many forms, but the most common is for users to lock up their digital asset on a DeFi platform in exchange for rewards. This is most common on proof-of-stake blockchains, where the owner receives the network's native coin as a reward. Finally, similar to when crypto holders stake their tokens, this procedure aids in the validation of network transactions. Only a few platforms, mostly in the P2E gaming industry, provide NFT staking, because this segment of the market is still in its infancy. Mobox and Zookeeper are two examples of these platforms. If you're looking for a passive way to generate money using NFTs, this is perhaps the best option. APYs vary from platform to platform and are dependent on the specific NFT you are staking. However, as more NFT projects become aware of this burgeoning industry, we anticipate that this approach will gain in popularity over the year. And now that you have a thorough grasp of how to profitably acquire and sell NFTs, let's look at the investment process itself. If you're wanting to invest in fresh NFT projects for flipping, or simply want to buy an NFT and hodl, finding a safe and trustworthy marketplace is critical. So make sure to do your research wisely. Did you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share, and thanks for watching.